Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to change country or region on App Store on iPhone iOS 26 without credit card. For example, if you want to change the country or region on your iPhone iOS 26 because you want to use the apps which are not available in that country or region. But if you do not want to use your credit card, and if you want to change the country or region, for this what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, I will tell you the two methods to do the same settings. So first of all, we will go for the first method, which is that you have simply click on App Store here. So in App Store, you have to click on name or Apple ID, and you have to click on name or Apple ID. After that, you have to find country or region option available here. So you have to simply click on that. After that, you will find the countries list. So you have to select the country you want to change the region. So you have to select that country. For example, I am selecting United States. And after that, you have to agree and the terms and condition. And after that, you will be provided with the payment method. So as you select on that payment method, so you have select on the payment method as none. And after that, what you have to do, you have to provide the billing address. And after providing the billing address, you can simply click on done, and your country or region will be changed. Now, if you move forward to the next method, which is that you have to simply go to settings. And you have to click on name or Apple ID here. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on media and purchases. And you have to click on view account. And after that, you will find the same interface as the previous available. So you have to simply click on country or region. And after that, you have to select the country, agree the terms and condition. And after that, your payment method will be available, and you have to simply select on none. As you select on none, and your country or region will be changed without a credit card. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.